In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Substack into your website or blog, allowing you to easily share your posts and attract more subscribers. Let's dive right in. First, we're heading over to your Substack publications settings page. This is your main control panel where you can manage everything from posts to audience settings. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand navigation bar and locate the section titled Growth Features. This segment is all about increasing your visibility and growing your audience, making it integral for embedding features. As you explore the growth features, you'll come across a unique HTML code snippet. This little piece of code is essentially your subscribe button in a portable format, ready to be added anywhere you need it online. This snippet is uniquely yours, tied to your publication, ensuring that subscribers who click through it will be engaging directly with your Substack content. Now what you need to do next is copy that HTML embed code. This is a straightforward step, but it's an essential one. Highlight the entire snippet and either right click to select copy or use your keyboard shortcut. Once you've copied the embed code, open up your website. Most platforms offer an HTML block or a custom code section where you can paste this code. If you're unsure where to place it, think about where it would be most visible and enticing to your audience. This is often at the end of a blog post or in the sidebar where your readers are already engaging with your content. After pasting the code in your chosen spot, make sure to preview your web page to check how the subscribe button appears. Moving forward, we'll now focus on embedding individual Substack posts. Begin by opening the specific post you want to embed directly on Substack. You'll see a little share icon, which is usually located either at the top or bottom of your post. This icon is your gateway to multiple sharing options. Click it and you'll see the embed post option among the choices. This function is particularly helpful if you want to share a specific piece of content rather than a general subscribe button. Once you select embed post, Substack will generate another HTML embed code for that specific post. Again, go ahead and copy this code. With the post specific code in hand, return to your website or any platform that accepts custom HTML. Just like before, paste this code where it fits best, whether in a blog post or a designated section for featured content. By embedding Substack in this way, you provide an interactive route for your readers to follow your newest writings, expanding both your reach and engagement. This integration of Substack into your website or blog not only enhances your content's visibility, but also streamlines the process of gaining new followers.